we have a massive opportunity in front of us. Why? Because there's an IPO coming in the paint industry. And आप कहीं भी देख लो, कोई भी economy, when the economy does well, no, when the infrastructure of the economy does well, एक उसका integral part होता है paint industry. And today, the IPO we're going to talk about is Indigo Paints Limited. So in this video, you will get to know everything you need to know about Indigo Paints Limited. Are you ready? Let's go. Hi guys, my name is Harsh Goyla and I'm an investor, trainer and mentor in stock markets. And if you already haven't, so please subscribe to the channel and like the video because it really helps us and boosts us a lot. बहुत motivation मिलता है जब हम देखते हैं subscription numbers ऊपर जा रहे हैं and people are liking the video even more. ठीक है, शुरू करते हैं. Now if you don't want to watch the entire video, I have made it easy for you. मैं आपको time stamps दे रहा हूँ और आप उस time stamp पे directly जा सकते हो. So what are the things I'm going to talk about? सबसे पहला I'm going to give you the IPO details. Then we're going to talk about the company. Then talk about the market competition. Then paint industry. Then the key strengths of Indigo Paint, and then my personal opinion. Would I recommend this IPO for you to go for the IPO or not? ठीक है, चलो. सबसे पहला the IPO details. Now the name of the IPO is Indigo Paints Limited. The IPO price is from rupees 1,488 to 1,490. Then the lot size would be of 10 shares. And application size would be of rupees 14,900. Cool. The IPO opens on 20th January 2021 and the IPO closes on 22nd January 2021. ठीक है. Now let's talk about the company. अब सबसे पहला Indigo Paints, no, it is one of the fastest growing paint company. In terms of revenue, it is the 5th largest revenue according देखोगे तो it is the 5th largest paint company in our country. Now what do they produce? They make enamels, they make emulsions, they make wood coatings, they make premiers, they make distempers, they make cement paints, a large variety of products. ठीक है. Now उनके manufacturing units कहाँ हैं? Manufacturing units are in Jodhpur, are in Kochi, Kerala, and are in Tamil Nadu. The promoters of this group are the Jalans. Yes. The promoter of this group, of this Indigo IPO Private Limited, is Jalans. Now let's talk about the market competition. Now, according to a report of Frost and Sullivan, this report was in 2019. The entire paint industry is of 40,300 crores. 40,300 crores, and I'm only talking about India. Now, who are the key players? यहाँ पे सबसे बड़ा competition क्या है? Asian Paints has 42% of the market share. Berger Paints has 12% of the market share. Nerolac has 7%. Then Akzo Nobel has 5%. Indigo Paints has 2%, and others have 33%. So आप इसको देख के ही समझ सकते हो that this is why Indigo Paints is the 5th largest paint company in our country. Right? Now let's talk about the paint industry on overall. Is this industry good? Is paint industry good? Or is it worth your time? देखो यार, सबसे पहले देखो, paints, no, it is not only used in painting houses. हमें जब मैं लोगों से पूछता हूँ what are the Asian paints जो वगैरह, तो लोगों के सबसे पहले दिमाग में आता है कि painting houses, because retail को ऐसे advertise किया जाता है. But paint industry बहुत बड़ी है. It is used in automobile, it is used in real estate, it is used in consumer durables, it is used in so many things. And whenever the economy does well, उस GDP का पार्ट ना पेंट इंडस्ट्री बहुत सिग्निफिकेंट पार्ट होता है और बहुत स्ट्रेटेजिक जगह पेस्ट है पेंट इंडस्ट्री. बिकॉज व्हेन द इकोनॉमीज इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इंक्रीजेज, जब बढ़ता है, नई गाड़ियां होंगी, नई बिल्डिंग्स होंगी, नई चीजें होंगी, पेंट इंडस्ट्री इज इंटेग्रल. ठीक है. सो अब इफ यू आर थिंकिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, जैसे मैं तो स्ट्रांगली बिलीव करता हूँ दैट इंडिया विल बी द नेक्स्ट सुपर पावर. येस, वी हैव सेवरल प्रॉब्लम्स. येस, वी हैव गवर्नमेंट इशूज, वी हैव सोशलिस्टिक इशूज, वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ इशूज, बट तभी भी इंडिया में दम है बॉस. और पेंट इंडस्ट्री इससे बहुत बेनिफिट करेगी. सो पर्सनली स्पीकिंग, पेंट इंडस्ट्री का मैं काफ़ी बड़ा फैन हूँ क्योंकि आई फील दिस इंडस्ट्री मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ सेंस टू इन्वेस्ट इन. अब हम बात करते हैं द की स्ट्रेंथ्स ऑफ इंडिगो पेंट्स आईपीओ. अब इंडिगो पेंट्स की क्या की स्ट्रेंथ्स है? इसकी की स्ट्रेंथ क्या है? सबसे पहले लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, एज यू सॉ इन द मार्केट कॉम्पिटिशन, ये 5th बिगेस्ट पेंट कंपनी इन द वर्ल्ड है. सेकंड ये है, एज यू कैन सी दैट 33% was taken by others. तो अभी भी बहुत स्कोप है टू ग्रो इन दिस इंडस्ट्री. Right? They have a large product range. They have consistent growth record. काफी consistent है. अगर देखोगे financially, it's quite stable. And then they have a strong brand. They have a super network of distribution, and it is a profitable company. These are the very major key strengths of Indigo Paints Limited. Now, finally, coming to my opinion, what do I think of this? Personally, I feel market sentiment बहुत अच्छा है, तो अप्लाई करना makes a lot of sense because probability ये कहती है that this IPO will also be oversubscribed, and if it is oversubscribed, it is more probable that it will open up. ठीक है, तो करना जरूरी है. Now, would I hold this for the longer term? Yes, definitely. अभी मैं देखूंगा मार्केट्स डेफिनेटली दे आर ओवरप्राइस्ड, तो ऑफकोर्स ये आईपीओ भी आ रहा है, सो आई वुड से आईपीओ में भी काफी प्रीमियम चार्ज किया जा रहा है, एंड राइटफुली सो, बिकॉज मार्केट्स व्हेनेवर द मार्केट्स आर हाई, तो आईपीओ ज्यादातर प्रीमियम पे ही आते हैं. दिस अ गुड क्वालिटी आईपीओ प्लस on top of that, right? तो सबसे पहली चीज़ ये, तो मार्केट्स एक तो ओवर प्राइस है, तो you need to keep that in check. But if you want to hold this Indigo Paints for the longer term, I think it is excellent. I personally would never mind to invest in the paint industry for a longer run, जिसके fundamentals, financial sheets और market share इतना respectable है. So yeah, and you know, again I'm telling you, paint industry is very lucrative. और एक और चीज़ है lucrative, बताऊँ क्या है वो lucrative है, hit the subscribe button because you have no investment and you get multiple folds of returns in terms of good valuable content. तो नीचे जाओ, subscribe button दबाओ, like the video, comment section में मुझे बताओ, do you think the paint industry is good? Do you think it is not good? What are your opinions in Indigo? Would you go for Indigo or would you go for IRFC? Right? IRFC closes on 20th January. This starts from 20th January. मुझे बताओ, and we will have a healthy discussion so that everyone in the community can read your comments and they can help out, and you guys can help out each other. Right? I'll see you in the next video. This is Harsh Goyla from Goyla School of Finance, financially empowering you.